Alright, Harbor Sharpers, welcome back. We are still in Paraquita. We're looking at Belle Christine. Big boat, partially submerged on its starboard side. You can kind of see some of the barnacle growth over there, so it took some damage from the storm. Do a quick walk around on the deck. Missing some of the railings on the side. There's a missing porthole there. Otherwise, the furler on the front looks like it was damaged. The windlass looks like it could still be okay. And obviously a lot of rail work, some aesthetic stuff, but otherwise the top deck seems to be in pretty decent shape considering. We're going to walk around quickly and have a quick peek inside, see what the condition looks like. Head back to the cockpit here. There's a little ding there on some fiberglass, it's minor. Some cushions. The back of the boat here. Life raft. Let's check out inside. As with a lot of these boats, there's evidence of stuff getting tossed around. As you can see, there's a lot of mud caked on the starboard side from its partial submersion. There's also some water in the bilge that you can see there. The presumption is that it's not taking on any more water at this point, but as you can see in the aft heads and cabin, there will be some work required to tidy it up. Let's have a quick look at the engine. So we see Yanmar, some moisture in there, so that would need a serious looking at. Again, the aft port cabin. You can see some of the hoses, etc., back through the back of the cabin there. Just going to give you a quick view. The galley. If this boat gets hauled out and cleaned up, it could be quite a nice vessel. Just needs a little bit of love and attention and investment. So there you have it.